Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your AirPods are not showing up in Bluetooth. So guys, if you are trying to connect your AirPods with your device but they are not showing up in the Bluetooth settings and you are unable to connect them, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply make it sure that your AirPods are fully charged. So guys, if they are not fully charged, you have to simply charge them. And after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, you have to simply restart your mobile and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to reset factory settings of your AirPods. So guys, for that you have to simply open the case of your AirPods and then you have to simply press and hold the button behind it for 30 seconds to factory reset your AirPods. So as here you can see this button, you have to simply press and hold this button for 30 seconds, and after this your AirPods will be reset to factory setting, and then try to connect your AirPods again with your device. So guys, do this, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back to your settings, and now you have to scroll it below and tap on general, and now tap on software update, and you have to simply update your software to the latest version from here. So guys, do this and now scroll it below, and now you have to scroll it below all the way and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time from here. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.